So here's supposed to be an intro while I'm talking to the camera and sitting on my bed, but for some reason the video is corrupted. I don't know why. So here's my beautiful cat boy. Hello there, Saren. He's not amused, so this will be today's intro. Oh, he's so cute. Here's the first look of the chair. It is probably over 100 years old. It's not standing straight, and probably some specialists should look at it, and I only changed the top part that was leather, and I will not use the original design. So let's get started with a nice candle scent. So as a first step, I obviously cut the piece of leather. This was a simple circle that I will be working there. Here I'm putting a tape on the bottom part of the leather, so to make sure that it doesn't change its shape while stamping and preparing all the design on the top. So when the taping is done, I can finally water the top of the leather and then trace the design I previously prepared.
Okay, so I already made some lilies of the valley. I already knew my tools are not appropriate for this kind of details. They are around 1 centimeters big. I switched to forget me nots, and I will already using another switch tool. It's a small crochet, so I am able to manipulate within those details. I already asked about mistakes that I made and figuring out where to buy a proper tools. So yeah, this is not something I am going to sell anyways. It's just for me practicing. I will be sitting on the spot. So yeah, we're learning on mistakes.
And the last part of this renovation was obviously to remove the old leather seat parts. And at the beginning, I wanted to be really careful and gentle, but no, it didn't really work. It was much more harder than I thought.